Okay, so hello everyone. How are you? Today is the day 8 for our Django series. So today we are going to discuss about the models basically. Okay, so let me share you the. Let me stop this terminal first. Okay, now I need to open this one. I then manage.py run server. Okay, so this is basically we are running, and here we have server running already, right? Okay, this is our application basically. So here what we want to do. Here we want to give one of okay, it is asking for the login, right? So let's see. Hariom, Suryavanshi, and 1, 2, 3. So here you can see this is the UI of this page. These are the customers and these are the purchase amount, pending amount, update. Here I will click on the update so I can be able to update the customer with their details. Okay. So here I want to, this is the update profile. So I want to update here the profile. Like once someone click on this URL, so I want to open the form. Okay. And where user can update the profile, right? Like business name, business address, business type. Okay. And or a much more profile photo, okay, everything, address, okay, everything we want to do. So now let's ask ChatGPT, give me give me a model with name business profile model business profile with with fields fields, business name, business type, address, address, and profile picture, okay. And here we can add and 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 you can give me some more fields that can be a part of business profile. Okay, so let's see. Right, business hours, it is good option we have, right? Business hours, description, stabilized date, website, phone number, contact number, profile picture, address. Okay, so business name, model, record, curve, field, business type, address. This is good, right? Contact email or phone number or website is to the description business hours. This is good, okay. Uh, this field in this field to start and R and one more field, one more one more field where for of day of the soft. shop, right? Okay, when shop is off, and divide address into two parts. Right, this is good. Great. Okay, now this is what basically we are doing here. We wanted to add, and now let's do this is let me explain what basically we are doing in this model. Okay, so basically business profile, we have this model name and we are not going to use this business type here. Go to business profiles and null true, blank true, right? Okay, contact email and models like here in the business name Carfield we are using, and maximum length is 225. Business type here we are not using choices here, just simple max length will be 255. Here also we will keep the same thing. Address part, this is the address part and this is the profile part. Okay, here is a street address, city, state, postal code, country, profile picture. Okay, and contact email, phone number, website, established date. Okay, description, start hours and end hours of day. Okay, so these all are the part of the profile. Okay, so let ask for what, ask for our uh, give me bootstrap web form for for this model. Will give us the model. Let's see how to let's see, this is good, right? Okay, so this is I'm telling you how you can use ChatGPT to enhance your productivity, okay, or make the things easy. Okay, but you should know every single part of the code, what it is doing or what it is not doing. Okay, so here business profile, so business profile, and here we will need to create one model. We can say this is the right user, this is user, right? Business profile. Okay, so this is user, like we need to make sure like which, for which user this is available, right? If install below. If install below, because is that here we are using image field and we need to use below to work with the images. Okay, so that's why we are using below. And now let's see, let's move ahead. What basically we will do, yeah, we got this form, right? So we will use this form. Done, and we will use this form map, and here we will create one file with the name profile.html. Profile.html, we will just put this code. Okay, form, and we will use it. Okay, here simply what we wanted to do, profile.html, update your profile, update business profile. Okay, so here this is what basically we are doing. Right, okay, this is our business detail, and inside that should use the end block, right? Div and end block. Okay, so this is block, block content and end block. So here what we want to do, when someone click on the update profile, so let's make this button where it is customer form base.html, right? So base.html we have update.profile. So create this button as a URL. Change this button to URL on clicking in redirect to update profile endpoint. Right, this is the thing. Let's see what it does. Okay, and once we will complete the project, then right. Okay, okay, let's update this to a tag. Let's see what happens now. Right, okay, so this is basically, let's see what it shows now in our home.html. Okay, now, okay, you can see here we will be able to see the update profile, right? Update profile, and there is nothing, URL is no, there is no URL here, so it shows error. But now what we can do, update profile, we can do one thing here, simply we'll move to the profile, not profile, we will move to the views.py. We will create one more uh, def update profile, and here login request. Okay, this is basically, this will be underscore, right? And here first of all we need to make sure this is login required, because we are already logged in. We'll check user is logged in or not, and then what we will do, if request dot method equal to post, request dot method equal to post. Okay, so we will just, as of now we will just return json response message profile is updated successfully. Okay, this is the message we want to show, and return render, render what? Here we have uh, my app slash profile or HTML. Okay, and request with request. Okay, done. This is the thing we are doing basically. And for this function, we need to create a URL. Okay, so we need to move to the urls.py, and here we will create this thing, and here we will create one thing like here update profile, update profile, update profile, and we will give this name to this particular thing like update profile. Then okay, this is the thing we did, and now we will move to the next part of the code. Okay, so here we are in the home page. Done. I will check this is updating or not. Okay, so here you can see this is update profile, and here we are getting coming in this file, right? Okay, so description, you can see business name, business type. Okay, business type is street, city, state, postal code. Okay, state or city and postal code, and country. Okay, and it is basically okay, asking for the image field, and then website, phone number, stabilized date. This will be the date, calendar field. Okay, so we can move to the any field like right. Okay, this is how we can use the calendar, and description, start hours, like in which time this is start hours or end hours, and off day. Okay, so in off day we will ask okay, in off day we just update off day, right? Off day we will update with the thing like in this off day give left option from all 7 days. Done. Okay, so here you can be able to see this thing. Okay, so here you can see this, these all are the days we are getting like off day and all, and ours we are getting description, stabilized date, website, phone number, contact email, profile picture, country, postal code, state. Okay, so all these things as of now we can keep this also a manual like a drop down, but as of now we are not doing this thing because that's not a big issue. But the thing is that we have to look into how to upload the image field, right? So that's how we have to look into. Let's see once user updated business, my business image type, business type, retail, address, and let's move ahead. Profile picture, and here profile picture we are updating any profile picture, and let's move ahead submit. Okay, so our profile is updated successfully. Okay, this is just we have printed as of now. Okay, so we at least we can say our code is working completely fine. Now what we need to do basically, just we need to work on this views.py inside the post method, right? So what basically we will do, okay, first of all we will use the breakpoint. We will use breakpoint here, and simple we will see how it is working, and let's see. Okay, and here we will create one business detail, street, city, and let's see, put it somewhere else. Right, done. And image field is this, contact email. Let's see this one, phone number. Let's see, keep my phone number, and lazylogics.com. Stabilize date is this 2023 and in June. Okay. Description. This is education platform. Let's see. Start hours 9:45. 10:45, right? Off day Saturday. Done. This is all are the fields we are completed now, and we will move to this thing. And we can see here we are in the break condition, right? Okay, here our code is stopped, right? So we will check request dot post. Done. So now we want every data of this, like business name equal to request dot post dot get post dot get business name. Let's duplicate this thing. Okay. Business name, business type, business type, business type, street address, then city, city, city here again, right? City, state. This one is state. Postal code, postal code, postal code. Okay. Country, country, country. Then contact email, phone number, phone number, phone number, website, stabilized date, stabilized date, description, stabilized date, stabilized date, description, description, start hours, and hour of the right, and hour, and of the. Right. Okay, so these all are the values we are taking, and now we will take here what? Okay, request dot post, right? And now what we will do? I will just simply check request.files. Okay, so here we got this files. Okay, request.files. So we will check if request.files, if request.files, request.files, files, then we want to check request.files, dot get file picture. Request dot right. So we got this image, okay, in memory upload. Okay, so here we will use the same thing. Okay, so this is what basically we got. That now what we want to do, simply I want to upload this onto the or we can say a folder, right? Okay, so now let's see. uh, let's do with this thing like ask. Let's do one thing, complete this function, just to make sure like it will not take much time to complete this. Okay, that's why I'm asking. Okay, so you can see here everything is happening. Chandan, business profile. Yeah, this also can be the good approach. Let's try this way. Okay, this is what basically it is doing. Okay, let me explain what it is doing. Okay, this can be the approach. Okay, we can use, but not required. Okay, so now we need to import a business profile model from Django.models. Here we are already import business profile. Now see what basically it is doing. It is just trying to get this particular business profile for this particular user. But if this is not available, so it is going to create for this particular user. Okay, and then we will move ahead and then update that particular business profile here. Okay, like here you can see. Let me tell you, this is the thing, right? We are updating this particular business profile here. we did, and if request.py files, and then what we are doing, simply we are doing this thing, and we are going to save this on our object, right? And now business.profile.save we will use dot save and return what we will return redirect to the slash. Done, simple, nothing else. Okay, so this is basically what we are doing. And now import datetime, we need to import datetime, right? And what is the datetime here? This is what basically we are doing, and let's see all we got, and everything should work fine now. Let's see, let's create one more again. Let's update the profile now. What it says, get operation error, update profile. Okay, okay. Okay, this is first of all we need to do the migration, right? Python manage.py migrations, Python manage.py migrate. Right, so this is our table is created, right? Okay, now we will run this code. Now you can see here simply, here you can see update profile. Okay, so now let's check the models. Let's check this particular. Let's check this to the in the admin panel, like admin. So here, so you can be able to see purchase details. Okay, so I need to register this particular model to the admin, so we can be able to see. So first of all, this thing, and here I need to import business profile, and just need to copy this. Just need to copy this and this, and then save this. So here you can see business profile. We are able to see. Then business profile here. 0 business profiles are created, right? Okay. So now what we will do basically, simply now we will do one thing, right? My business type is street, fifth floor. Okay, this is the address. Choose 5. Let's add an Django file, right? Okay, contact email, this one, website digilogics.com, calendar field, right? Done. And description, this is education website. Start hours, this, and okay, of day Sunday, right? So let's submit this. Okay, forbidden error. Okay, CSRF token missing or incorrect. Then we are not using CSRF for what? Let's check in the profile.html. We are not using profile.html. We are missing. Okay, CSRF token is completely changed, right? It's need to. Okay, so time does not match format. Okay. Does not match format. In this time does not match format, specialized date. It is not. We are not sure. No, we will get this or not. Now let's check with this same data, and it's too much data rate. So let's see. File picture. We'll update this one, and then contact email, website. Then visualize date. We added this date, right? Let's see. Description. Okay. Time field. Okay. Okay. Way to update this thing as a right. If we will get something from this. मिलता है तो करो नहीं तो keep it as it is. So this is basically we are doing, and let's see. Here we are going to create again. Let's try tail, fifth floor, choose file, and here we are choosing the file and email address, and then website we are building. Stabilize date. Let's create a date. Do one thing. Put this hours. Okay, so this is of Sunday, right? Then. So here you can see the profile is created, and we can be able to see this here. Right here you can see my business with the name. Here you can see address. This is the file, right? Okay, and this particular file is going to be added over here. Let's see where. Okay, this is, you can see inside my website we created one more business profile, and here you will get this image field. Right here it is going to be uploaded, right? You can see here also. So inside this website directory, business profile are going to be uploaded here. Okay, and now I want to use this image field to show in our application. So how I can be able to do that, right? Okay, so this is all for today. We will continue that part tomorrow, and this is how we can update our profile. So here you can see the image field. So image field, here you can see image field in the models.py. you can check over here. Okay, this is upload to, this is the upload to directory, and here it is using business profiles. So inside our project directory, okay, here we are using business profile, and here I want to upload all these files, okay, image field. So here we are uploading all these image fields, and now we will use this image field to show this image. Okay, like in happens now, like if this is profile is updated and I want to view my profile, so I can be able to see image, address, everything. Okay, so this is we are going to do tomorrow, and we will improve this project, whole project. Okay, so that's all for today. It's a long video now, so that's all for today.